What's up everyone? My name is Abby and welcome back to another video. It's almost the end of April, so today I'm gonna be showing you my April's favorite buy on Amazon. Whether you're a blogger or not, I think this one is very important. If you like taking pictures, you are always on video cam, filming video, or even just virtual meetings, video calling people, because this is going to make a lot of difference. It is a smartphone video microphone kit.
From the way you talk, to the way you walk, to the way you rock that body, to the way you move, to the way you groove, I know you'll be somebody. So don't you frown or let it put you down. It's within, I know you got it. So bring that fire, let's take it home. Bring it.
That you saw, this is a vlogging kit full starter set. It comes on a very cute bag like this and very handy. You can just grab it on the go. This is what it looks like. First you need this and this. This is the stand or the tripod, the phone clipper. And then next is the light, so you can use this. You can turn this on here, just press the button. See? You can actually put this here on the top. The LED mini light has a brightness adjustable. And you can choose from 2800 to 8500 Kelvin. Meaning, you want your picture or video to come out to have like this nice warm tone, you can use 2800. But if you want bright white, you can use 5000 to 8500 Kelvin. And you can put your phone. And you can use it like just like this. And then you can put the light here. You can just slide the light over here. After you slide it, you can tighten it. And now for your microphone, remember that this wire here, the black one is gonna go on your microphone, and the gray one, if you're using an iPhone or an iOS, you need this cord, the one that you use on your headphone, to connect it. And then you're gonna insert it on your phone. You also have this furry windshield. You have this microphone clip here that you can use. You can put it on, and you can put it on like that. And look at that, no? Isn't it cute? If you are using this outdoor and it's kind of dark, you can actually install this. And then this one goes to your phone. This can go here on the side here. The microphone can go here on the side here. And just slide it in. You can slide it in like that. And voila! You have this cute vlogging kit over here. Isn't it nice? this side. I also like that you can bend the arm like this. If you are only just gonna loosen out this thing over here, you can also kind of make it like a gimbal. I am actually excited to use this outside. I haven't tried using this outside. So now let's check the microphone. You can choose where you wanted to put your microphone, on your right, on your left, or on the top of the light. It doesn't matter. Now that I am using that camera over there, check the quality of my voice. And what do you guys think? Use this camera over here, and what do you guys think of the quality of my voice? Isn't it so much better? Isn't it so much better, and isn't it so, there's so much clarity on the voice? And you can now have this cute thingy here, and now you can have this cool vlogging kit that you can carry anywhere you go. You know what's one more cool thing about this vlogging kit is you can actually extend that handle like this. And if you want it taller, like that. And now you have a taller one, and it's perfect. And this is going to be perfect if you are going outdoor. You have the light, you have the microphone, and voila! Ready for your vlog! Thank you for watching, guys, and if you do like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and see you on my next video.
Follows is a brief construction montage.
Today I'm gonna be showing you my April's favorite buy on Amazon. My April's favorite buys on Amazon. And now for your microphone. This is the microphone. This is your microphone. The gray one is going on your phone. If you wanted to use the light on, you can actually install this. Put this. You can put this. You have this mic. Because while you're moving, you can like carry it and like this. I'm excited to use this outside.
3:28 a.m.
Yeah.